Hi, I'm Marna, and my 60 centimeter BJDs decided to have a Halloween party and they need a table and a tablecloth. This craft can also be used for your 18-inch American Girl dolls, our generation, that type doll, as well as many other dolls. So don't think this is just for the ball jointed dolls of this size. What I did was I went to Hobby Lobby and the candlestick holder was $9.99, and I used a 40% off coupon that you can get an app on your telephone. My voice, I keep clearing my throat because my oldest son was in a mountain bike race last Saturday night, and we were cheering at every turn that we could see him and when we were on the trail. Okay, then I bought an oval picture frame for $2.99, and I think these were 40% off also, but these weren't, so I used a coupon. Now, what you could do is super glue that together. I am not going to, and the reason is I can store it easier like this than I can if it's all together. My dolls don't actually knock into things, like me, so it can sit nicely. They needed a tablecloth, so I took a piece of Halloween print, and I like this. I get a big kick out of it. It's kind of a big print that you couldn't really use for doll clothes, but I can get away with it for the tablecloth. Now, you could cut more of an oval if you wanted to. I chose to leave it with just rounding off the edges. I believe this would be considered a fat quarter. It could be a little wider. I didn't really measure that out. I had this fabric, I laid it out, and this is what I cut off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sew black lace that I bought also at Hobby Lobby, if I can find the end, around the edge of the tablecloth to give it a pop. I actually thought about white with that on there, and then I thought, no. So this is the tablecloth. I got out their tea set. I wish it were orange, but I know a guy. And they're having a little Halloween daytime tea party. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.